Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Only a very quick one really, running out of time, but just want to emphasize that my view is still that Solana should come down lower, because what we're missing here is just in pink, this wave count, just one lower low. All we would have needed would have been just a tiny lower low compared to the one here from the 14th of June, maybe $25 or something. Now it didn't do it. It didn't do it, and therefore I'm still primarily expecting that we are going to make a lower low, as I do expect it for ADA as well. Now I'm open to changing this, but I want to see further and stronger price action to the upside. First of all, we would need to get above that previous swing high at $36. Now we are close. But even better would be a move above that wave 2 high at 41.96, and the best confirmation would be 48.41. Yeah, unfortunately we're quite far away from that, but it is needed, that confirmation, because we have not made a lower low, and other than that it would be difficult to count this sort of as complete. Now really, before considering seriously that the low is in, I want to see significant price action above the channel. Now we're starting that, but it's not significant enough for me, and a breakout of at least above $36, and even better, 42. For now though, as long as we stay below 36, then primary expectation remains to go down further, even above that level. I mean, honestly, until we break above 42, I'm not confident here to make a case for a low, because it is just tricky. Yeah, I mean, as I said before, this could even have been a leading diagonal, but then I can't really count this as 5 waves complete. I would need to mess around with things which I don't oftentimes like. But what I would like to see now is just a little bit of more confirming price action, and then, because it's already very late, I'm not going to try to figure out how this could potentially happen. Yeah, and how the wave count might be, because it is a bit unclear now, and primary expectation would still be lower low. So therefore I would get another update done tomorrow with an updated wave count here, should it be needed. Yeah, should it be needed. Bear in mind that I mentioned that, I think in the Polkadot video or the ADA video, that oftentimes, I mean, it could now be, yeah, we've got a fairly well case to say now on the Bitcoin chart and the ETH chart that the low might be in. Not confirmed yet, not at this stage when I make this video, it's not yet confirmed. So at the moment, that means if it's not yet confirmed, it means primary expectation is still at the moment making a lower low, but we can cautiously, we need to watch those charts at the moment, because the case is getting stronger and stronger for the low is in Bitcoin, Ethereum. But a lot of the altcoins, historically, when Bitcoin started to run to the upside, the altcoins kept dropping for another couple of weeks. So be aware of that, because some altcoins just don't convince me at the moment, including here ADA and Solana. Chainlink, I'm still a bit doubtful that the low could be in. So Polkadot, still a bit doubtful. So yeah, so I'm not happy with most of them yet. Bitcoin, Ethereum, yes, but not yet Solana. So I'm still waiting here for a lower low at the moment. But if I have to change the primary expectation, then I'll do, because in the end Solana came down in line with expectations to those levels around the 88.7% FIB level, around $29. My scenario has been fulfilled. What it would have been the icing on the cake, and maybe it still happens, is that lower low here compared to the one from the 13th of June, which means we need to make a lower low compared to $26. That would really have been the icing on the cake, yeah, the little cherry that you put on top. But other than that, I can't complain. The Elliott wave count has guided us very well through this overall correction since November, December really, and not a single time I called the low to be in. And now we are at a very close here, at a junction where now the market needs to show us where it's heading, and then we can take it from there and map out the next waves. So it is difficult in such a turnaround space. For me at the moment, primarily still downside potential. So hopefully that was clear. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.